Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Learn channel where we explain tech concept in simple way. In this video, we will answer one question. What is Node.js? Quick Learn for beginners. Problem. JavaScript is only in browser before Node.js. Solution. Node.js run JavaScript outside the browser. How it works. Powered by Chrome's V8 engine. Its lightweight and event-driven architecture. Why Node.js is popular? One language everywhere, front-end plus backend. Use ecosystem via NPM. Fast and scalable. In summary, Node.js equals to JavaScript everywhere. Subscribe for more quick learn tutorials. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.